Today I'm going to do an adjustment on my good client Sunny, and so Sunny's a little bit different than most of the other people that I see, in that Sunny was in a car accident and it damaged her neck severely, and they ended up having to do a fusion across 2 levels, so a 2-level fusion in the bottom part of her neck. So I'm going to use a different technique than I usually use on people. This is called an arthrostem, and this allows for a much more gentle adjustment than this standard, what most people think of as chiropractic adjustment, and also what I usually do on people. The evaluation process is real similar. I'm just going to check for stiffness in the spine, abnormal muscle tension. She's always got it right up here.
Right there. Yep.
So this is really right below
Yeah.
where her fusions are. Okay. The nice thing about it is it also stimulates the muscles, which allows them to relax. So I can actually adjust over the area where she has the fusion without worrying about, messing up that fusion, which definitely we don't want to do. The left side of her sacrum is rotated like this. And that's better. So now we're just adjusting down along the inner edge of her shoulder blade.
I think I'm sitting up better though.
Good.
Than what I used to.
I think you are too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're straighter.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Feels better. There you go.